All right, we are back, and of course, we're having our little loading screen because my button that starts the my button that starts my recording is also the button that reloads my previous save. So, and I can't change it. So here we go. All right.
Our old home is here.
All right.
Wow, that's amazing!
Okay.
I knew you had great potential, even back
Okay,
then
the other
at
one.
the Gemma. Ah,
Okay.
isn't she a beauty?
Uncle Artyom,
Oh,
will you
you can
find
see
my
she's been
Teddy?
properly cared for.
Teddy? Teddy! Are you really back? You're my hero, Teddy.
Okay. Yeah, I can also
Mom,
put the
Teddy's
gun down.
back.
What do
Okay.
you have to say?
Oh, thank you, Uncle Artyom. Thank you so much.
You're welcome, kid. All right, now, where's the dudes that wanted the?
Artyom, come up here. I have something to talk to you about.
All right, I'm gonna get up there, but
Thank you,
not
Artyom.
before. Where's the
I
dudes that
don't
want
even
the
know how to
guitar?
thank you. Спасибо.
All
Hi,
right.
Artyom.
All right, where's my buddy that wants the guitar? Where's the dude that wanted the guitar?
Come up here.
I'm coming. Just I need to find the dude that wanted the guitar.
We've been worried here.
All right, I can't find the dude that wanted the guitar. All right.
Well, come on. The old man's waiting.
All right, well, I wanted to find the dude that wanted the guitar, but can't find him. It's a bit annoying.
You're back. You did great. Thank you. So, here's the plan. Your group captures the tugboat. Then you, Duke, and Crest take it to the bridge. While Crest distracts the guards, you and Duke infiltrate the control room at the top and lower the bridge. On your mark, we'll ram the gates, pick you up, and I pray to God it works out. I can't give you or Duke any direct support. The data we have tells us the enemy's main force is guarding the gate. One more thing, Artyom. Look after Duke, all right? He's a great scout, but prone to unnecessary risks. Sure, he's young, but if he continues like that, who knows what will happen, huh? So give him a good example and do it smoothly and quietly. You are his role model, and as such should remember that you are special forces, not tank jocks.
All right, well,
Good luck, Artyom.
all right, I'm gonna try to do that, but I'm also gonna try to find where the other boys are, cause I certainly need. Where the hell are these guys at? Did they already go on the mission? Is that what's going on here? Did they already leave? That's a little unsettling. Alright, well, it looks like I gotta go. I'm gonna go to the back. Alright.
Need some rest?
No.
All right, but don't take too long. You really need it at the port.
I know. I can't get past you. That's the problem. Alright, well, I gotta go all the way around then. That's a little bit annoying. I gotta go all the way around because I gotta get back into the train. And change my guns out. Clean my guns, make some more ammo. Make some more filters, stuff like that. Alright, so. Ironically, the way they have it set up, it looks like we're actually going to leave the train we've been traveling on and just travel
Welcome
with the new
back,
train.
Ranger. It looks like I've been worrying for nothing.
Oh yeah, you've been, I don't know
It's
about
my
for nothing.
age, I guess.
Alright, so we're
Oh,
going
well, we were
to,
all worried.
okay, we're gonna make some filters.
Yeah, but Anna took it to a whole new level, I must say.
Alright,
Artyom, look, I have an improvement for Tihar ready. Try taking it out for a trial.
okay, let's
You're
make some
welcome to use
handgun
their
ammo.
workbench to install it.
Okay, machine gun ammo I'm good. Shotgun ammo I don't really use. I don't really care about, I don't use the shotgun at all. I don't like the shotguns. I don't like shotguns because they're only good for close range, and I try to do as much at long range as I can. And I also, the reload speed on shotguns is awful, so that's why I don't use shotguns. I really could just dismantle all of this ammo. I really don't like shotguns at all. In fact, I'm gonna go ahead and dismantle all of the shotgun ammo as I can. All right. Now steel balls, I'm not crazy about that gun either, and the fact that you have to carry it, you can't switch it out for another gun, really annoys the living crap out of me. I really wish I could switch it out. Okay, now I don't have anything for this, but I can clean it or fix it. I have nothing new, but we're gonna go here, and I've got stuff for these guns. So what do I have? I'm gonna clean this. This is the automatic, and I've got the semi-grip wooden stock, which adds to the stability. We're definitely gonna install that. We got this one, long barrel and compensator. Yeah, that's better. It reduces the stability though. It does reduce the stability, but it increases damage and accuracy. That's weird. All right, we're gonna go with that. All right, and then this one. This is the gun that I don't like. And the rotor magazine. All right. All right, we're gonna go ahead with that. But we're gonna make sure that we've got our main gun installed, and we're gonna clean the crap out of it, for goodness sakes. All right. And that's it. We're good. We're good to go. All right. So let's go. Let's get out of here. And I can't give the guitar to anyone.
Are you ready for that final push? Oh, where did you get this? God damn, this is cool. Thank you, man. You just blew my mind.
All right, buddy. Go sing a song to the cities. All right, I guess we're going now. We're headed in. Where's the? Am I going that way? I guess I'm going that way. All right. So I've got the. Okay. Yeah, I've got the thing telling me which direction I'm going. So we're going to the port. We're going back to the port. All right, that's cool. All right, we're gonna go do this.
Artyom, we are in position, awaiting orders.
All right. Now I gotta remember how I got there. Cause I got, Jesus Christ. Now how did I get there? I got there by going around this thing. I think I went down someplace else. Cause I went down, I went around without getting my feet wet, which I think is a little further down. Or maybe it's not. I don't know. I don't see it. I don't see how I got there. The path that I took. It was because I went over land to get there. I don't know. I'm a little confused. I'll figure it out. Because I walked across stuff to get there. Alright. This does not look like where I went. I went not over land. I went over like a sunken like pipe or something. There was something cylindrical that I went over. This looks like it over there, but yeah, this is the way I went down. Alright, I went down over here. Yeah, that's what I went over. Alright. So we're gonna go the way we went before. Alright. Okay, nope, wrong button. Okay. Here we go. Now, see that house over there? I don't know if I've been to that house yet before. Take a look on the map. Yeah, it looks like I haven't, but it also looks like there's nothing there. So, I'm not going to worry too much about it. Alright. Alright, now I am creeping a little slow. I realize that. I guess I should do this at night because I'm trying to do stealth against humans. Okay. Alright. I see you there. I want to get you dead, but... And there's two of you. Alright. Now I got one of you down. I know there's more than one of you. Alright. I know there's more than one of you. Alright, and now there's an anomaly. Great. Well, maybe the anomaly will wipe out the other one, but the anomaly is super dangerous to me, so... And it's right on my path. So I gotta find a way to get there without confronting that anomaly. And without getting too close to the water. Okay, here we go. This guy. Alright. That works. But it looks like the anomaly is crossing over into my path again. Alright. It's a sleeping one. Alright, got him dead. Alright. That is a problem. That's a problem as well. Alright. Now it's going over that way. So I'm going to try to make my way past it. I want to keep... Essentially what I want is I want to keep metal between me and it. Or structures, at least. I want it on the other side of something substantial at all times. Oh, great, I'm getting radiation now. As long as the radiation... Okay.
Artyom, I see you. Come up here on the crane.
Okay, I'm going up here. Okay, now, here's the thing. I've got a safe house. So I'm going to hit the safe house as a way to getting assist. What the hell was that? I'm going to hit the safe house as a way of getting a little bit of a save on. I'm just going to go in. I'm not going to save. I'm not going to sleep. I'm just going to hit the safe house. Alright? That should give me a save. A nice safe save right there. Alright, now. We're going that way. Alright, now. We're pretty good. We're doing pretty good. Okay, there's one right there. What the hell was that? We hit him. Ah, damn it. We hit him. He should have died. That was kind of BSy. Come on. Okay, well. Alright. Okay, no, he's too close. That anomaly is right behind me. Alright. Looks like we're good. Okay, now. Oh, no, we got another one. Alright. Gotta get him dead. As you can tell, I'm not going for a very pacifist playthrough. I'm not trying to kill as few of them as I possibly can. I'm, you know... Okay, there's one. Alright, got him. I'm definitely one who believes I'm better off that those things are not alive. Now. Now, crane. Am I going to the crane? I know it's telling me to go this way. So let's just go ahead and do that. Is that a chem? Yeah, it is. How did I not get that last time? Alright. That looks like a doll. Looks like a toy. It is a doll. See, I would have taken that back to the kid, but that's just me. I mean, I would have cleaned it before I gave it to her, but I would have taken that back to the kid. Now. No, not that. I want to... Not that either. How do I do the lighter now? I forget how to do the lighter. I totally... That's how you do the lighter. Alright. Okay. Okay. I mean, there's blood all over the place here. Alright. Now. What do we got going on here? We going this way, or it goes around the other way, right? Forget exactly how you do this. Think it's here. Yeah, this is the exit. Alright, I heard wings, which is troubling. Alright. Am I going this way, or... Because this is a hard way. I don't think you can get out this way. Alright. What the hell was that? Was that... Alright, I hear bullets. Alright, I'm going through this door. Now, I know my wife is a sniper, and I think she's got a laser scope, so... Okay, I think I'm going up here. Okay, yeah, that was her. That was Anya. Anna. Two different names. Anna and Anya. I do believe they're both Russian, although the only Anya I've ever met in person was actually Jamaican, but whatever. It is what it is. And the other Anya was from Buffy the Vampire Slayer, so.
I'm here.
Okay, well, I'm getting there, babe. And the Jamaican Anya that I knew didn't pronounce it Anya. She pronounced it Anya. Although I think she's the only one who did. I think literally everyone called her Anya, and she pronounced it Anya.
You made it. I was worried sick while you were running around in that terminal. Yermak said you brought the sleeper carriage. You are simply the best. Sorry I'm talking so much, but I missed you. Okay, back to business. Damned cough. I guess I spent too much time in that dump.
Okay, what do we got going on, babe?
So, they have more guards than we anticipated. It seems
It's
risky,
risky,
but
but
Crest
Crest says such caravans are usually commanded by a captain. So if we capture him, the others will surrender.
Alright, now.
They have about 15 guards. 4 at the tugboat ladder, sentries at the pier. Sam will take the right flank. Come in, Sam.
I'm in position. I can see a guard.
Duke is to the left of the hangar. Come in.
Duke in position, ready to pick the guard off.
Idiot is on the far crane.
Ready for action. Got a mark on everyone on the pier.
Crest has scouted out the basement.
There's only 2 of them here. Busy repairing something, so... this seems to be the best spot for quiet entry.
Alright, now here's the thing.
Artyom, we're all set. You managed to get out of the church quietly, so let's make this one the same.
Yeah, it's no fun beating up immature soldiers like them.
Shatter. Alright, Artyom, you're in charge. You call the shots.
Alright. So,
Okay, well, it's high time we start.
started.
alright, so the issue that
Try to get on that tugboat. We'll give you cover.
Alright, no, the
Let's
issue...
go over the plan one more time.
Okay,
Once the tugboat is in our hands, Sam, Idiot, and I will go back to the Aurora, while Artyom, Duke, and Crest take the boat to the bridge. Good luck, everyone.
Alright, so the issue that I'm having is I don't remember... Well, I don't know. I don't think these guys are evil. And because I don't think they're evil, I don't really want to kill them. You understand what I'm saying here? I don't think that it's necessary or right to kill these guys because I don't think they're actually bad guys. I think they're just dudes who are defending what is technically, it's theirs. It's their boat, and we're gonna steal it. The question is, do I kill them in stealing their boat, or do I just, stealth them out? Now, I'm gonna try not to kill them if I can. But if it comes down to them or me, they're gonna die. I'm gonna do my best not to kill them as much as I can, except for the fact that now, what the hell? Oh, come on now. Please don't tell me that I'm here and I got no safe way down, because I don't want to. Alright, so are those the guys right there? That's where I'm going. Yeah, that is where I'm going. And look at the sun is coming up, so I'm in bad shape here. This is not ideal. And I don't know if I can drop down safely without... We're going to drop down. Alright. Now, I'm going to try and get a little bit closer. We got problems. Right, okay. That's one of my guys, right? Yeah. Those blue lights are my guys. Now, here's what's going on. I've got... Like I said, I don't think these guys are evil. So the goal is really not to kill them. The goal is to knock them out. Wherever possible. Because if I was going to kill them, I would have started sniping. From up top. Now there's one. Alright, there's one guy right there. He's passing back and forth over there. Okay, there's a guy right there. Now, question is, alright, now, see, I need to knock him out. And like I said, I'm trying to knock out guys rather than kill them, but I'll kill who I have to.
So, what is there in Africa? Just a market. The
All right.
city is, gone. But the piers are still there. So once the river got cleaner, they started trading. What's worse? There was no place anyone help decontaminate the piers.
Come on, what the hell?
It used to be a big city, great place for a market. It's just that
Okay, that was one.
sort of
Okay, there's like two guys there.
guys tagged along. At least.
Careful, on your left.
But how
Wait,
are we supposed
I
to
know there's two guys there.
Well, we got it covered. They
There's
buy
three
all
guys
of
there.
theirs wholesale,
Sugar.
And we get our fuel from them at a special discount. Then we just go up the river, deliver whatever the guys up there need from the south, load up their stuff, and go back down. Easy money too. We don't have to tow the barges. I see. All right then, I'll be going. Yeah. Sure thing. Keep an eye out.
Alright, so now they're gonna start walking. They finished their conversation. So, what happens now? There's one guy there by himself.
Attention, on your right.
On my right.
Coasts like this, get people here.
Alright, he must be down below.
I get the job.
Alright, I get it. There's a guy down there.
Careful, on your left.
Okay, now there's a guy right there too. Sugar. Like, this is really difficult. Like, to do this without killing these guys is almost impossible. Alright, there's a guy right there.
There he is, Creepers! He's up there!
Alright, nope, I'm going in
Took
here.
him out.
Alright, so we're going lethal now.
Open fire, he's been spotted.
Alright. So we're going lethal. That's bottom line. There's no chance to go non-lethal now.
One's down.
Alright. Come on. Alright. There's a guy right there. Damn it. Alright. I mean, you guys did not have to rip it up like that. This was unnecessary. Yeah, this level of mayhem was unnecessary. We could have done it without this much gunfire.
One down.
Alright. Alright. Okay, whoa. Alright, this guy's going down. Or these two, both of them. Damn it.
Go down, I got him.
Alright. Oh, whoa. Alright. Now, where's the next guy? The guy over there, I see him.
It's the enemy! I see him there!
Alright.
One down.
Take this!
Okay, what do I see?
We're getting exploded!
Oh, there's one right there. Okay. This is unfortunate because we're pretty much just being bandits right now. Alright, I think I got him. Alright. There's that guy. Yeah, we're pretty much just being bandits right now. We're killing to take what is definitively not ours.
I surrender! Don't shoot!
Alright. Alright, well, if they've surrendered, I'm not killing them.
I surrender! Don't shoot!
And we're gonna go, on that note, we're gonna quick save.
I surrender! Don't shoot!
Okay, is there any loot here? I don't think so. Doesn't look like it. I think I took this stuff already. I was here,
I surrender! Don't shoot!
and we took this stuff already. So we're gonna knock that dude out. Okay. Loot that. What the hell is this? Can I do something with that?
Surrender! Don't shoot!
I don't know what I just did. I did something, but no. Oh, the dude's gun is stuck in the wall. That's weird. Alright, what's this? Can I loot the body? Can I loot the dude?
Hold your fire! I surrender!
I understand you surrendering, dude. Okay, I'm taking some stuff from peoples. Alright. Alright,
The
so that...
barges are clear. Time to
done
capture the
fighting.
tugboat bridge.
Alright, well, we're gonna have... Give me a moment, I'm looting. I gotta take everything that I can find. Everything that's not nailed down has to go into my pockets. You understand, this is a game, and I'm a gamer. So, this is a game, and I'm a gamer. So, I gotta knock that dude down so I can loot his body. Okay, we got pigs over here. Alright, dude. Down you go. And loot, and... Okay. Alright, what else do we have? What the hell was that? It's like giving me the option to sneak somehow. I don't know what the hell that was. Maybe it was giving me the option to go under here. That's what I think it was. Okay. Whatever, I'm not worried about that just yet. I'm gonna go up top, see what's up top. And then I'll go inside. Okay, is it? Alright, there's a guy shushing. I hear you. I hear the guy shushing. What's in here? Alright. Alright. Yeah, I hear the person shushing. Is that my guy who's shushing? Alright, we're going forward. If they start shooting, we're killing, but... Alright. Okay, what is that stuff floating in the middle of the air? That's not good. Anywho. Alright, so. We're just gonna go a little bit further forward. What's that? Okay. Yeah, because we're going all the way up top, I believe. We're going all the way up front. Let's see what's in here. Another one of these. Is that a dude? Yeah, that is a dude. Somebody got whacked inside. Okay. Take those. Now we're going, I believe I'm going up top here. Just to see what he's got up here. I mean, if it was going to go south like this, I could have started sniping from the roof before. Alright, so that little tug up top, which apparently this is sort of like a boat train, and this boat up here is what's pulling everything. Alright, so that said, that boat, we're going to do that boat in the next episode. I will thank you now for watching, and I will see you in the next episode. However, I have to save. Because I'm going to end the playthrough, and that's going to cause the game to reload. So here we go.